Hello and welcome! In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a pop-up text effect like this. Start by typing a single letter. To achieve the pop-up effect correctly, you need to align the letter in the center. Next, go to the Effects Control panel and set the scale to 0, and add a keyframe. Now press Shift and right arrow key to move 5 frames forward and set the scale to 130. Again, press Shift and right arrow key to move 5 frames forward and set the scale back to 100. This will create a nice looking pop-up effect. Next, move 5 frames forward and drag the clip to the upper track by holding Alt. Press Shift and right arrow 3 times to move 15 frames forward and paste the clip again. Repeat this process until you have one copy for each letter in the word you want. Next, rename the letters by turning off the visibility of the other tracks. Uncheck Toggle Track Output for all tracks. Next, adjust the position of each letter to form the word. To move all the letters simultaneously, you can nest all the clips into one track. And that is it. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.